G, paano pormahan ang Vans? Yeah, boy! Sa totoo lang, G, mahilig talaga ako sa Vans shoes. May 4 ako dito piraso na sapatos na Vans. Pero isa lang papakita ko sa iyo. Okay? Ako si Federico, hindi ako pasyonista pero mahilig ako pumorma. Ipapakita ko sa iyo ang pormahan ng Vans. Let's get it! For show, for show! Siyempre, white t-shirt. Tapos, George of the Wall. Siyempre, yung bida natin, Vans Volt OG Skit High. Yeah, boy! Siyempre, lagyan natin yung decoration G. Bucket Hat by Gracia Worldwide. Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy! Sheesh! Sheesh! Oh? Sheesh! Yeah! Sheesh! O sige na, i-rate ko na yung pormahan ko. Para sa akin, ikaw. Pero G, kita nyo naman. Oh, ang cutie. Super cutie! Yeah, boy! Gracia! Yung photocard ko, ano na? What happened, Myrtle? I know! Vampire, right? Vampire reply to me! Rasengan! Sa totoo lang, G, ang pormahan na to, pwede na pang date. Date. Walking while holding hands and staring at you. How beautiful you are and prettier. Yeah. Ay, sorry. Hi, baby girl. Flowers for you. I know, it's a plastic, right? But my love is not plastic to you, okay? I love you and you love me too. Mwah! Tonight, oh baby, hold on tight. I think I'm falling for you. I feel like I just can't describe. Something's telling me inside. I think I'm falling for you. Maraming salamat, G. Oh, thank you so much for the supporting acts. And yeah, boy. Lagi nyo tandaan, G. Always pray. And God always there. Okay? Yeah, boy.